Whoa! Oh, whatever. Rainier. What? Why is it raining indoors? When's Daddy coming home? I don't know, mate. Don't know. Ether. My husband died trying to get to the rain machine that has made this town what it is today. I'm sorry for your loss. What is this rain machine that you speak of? It's the cause of all this rain. It never stops. Maybe I can destroy this machine and restore happiness to this place. I have decided to take the job of what your husband was trying to do. I shall attempt to destroy the rain machine. Good luck, you brave adventurer. Wah! Wah! So... What? What is that? Okay. I don't know. Broken. Hi. If I had any battle experience, I'd go to that cave to the east, it's to the west actually, and destroy it. What? Destroy your battle experience? No. The rain machine. Town of Rainier, House of Teaching. Learn how to pickpocket. Okay. Hey look, it's Alex. No, it isn't. So, you want to learn how to pickpocket, do you? Yes. Well, it's very simple. First, you need to have a thief in your party. Oh. Then, press the enter key while facing a person and you get a choice to pickpocket or talk. But remember, you cannot always successfully use pickpocket. There are 3 possible reasons for this. 1, you might not be able to pickpocket from that person. 2, that person might not have anything. 3, your thief is not a high enough pickpocket level. Take all of this information with you. Here is a piece of paper with all of this written on it. Review it whenever you need to. If you ever have a thief with you, come back here and I'll teak it to him or her. Oh, okay. How useless. Why would you need information on that? Make your choice, weapons or armour, or both. Yeah, a bit of both, please. Oh. Dosh! Yeah, I guess so. It's only 2 points, but whatever. Oh! There is indeed a secret. Cool. Potions, antidotes, I've got them. Why are they so expensive? Fuck. Oh my god, seriously, man? This game's impossible. Why is it so hard? Oh my god. This is crazy. Ah, level up. This is like the difficulty of some old RPG. Like an old one. Oh, good. You know, like before Final Fantasy 1 and 2 were remade. Back when they were arsehole difficulty. Oh, go away. I ain't dealing with none of that shit. I'm going back in here because I think you have to look at this before something happens. Whoa, hi. Can I win? For once. Potion, oh thank fudge for that. I'm just gonna stay at the inn. I'm not gonna waste my last $100 potion. Quite alright, that's me, okay. Man, I'm worried. Is this game going to be impossible? This is almost a blind playthrough for me, because I don't remember much about this. It's cool though. Hey, Jeremus. You ready yet? Back already? Not for long. I'm going into the cave to the north. Why would you want to go in there? I've just been to the town at the top of the waterfall and gained information about a rain machine. That's why it's always raining up there. But it's dangerous in there. You can't go in alone. That's why I've come back here. What help are you going to find here? No. Oh, come on. You said yourself that I shouldn't go alone. You'd be the perfect companion. Is that the only reason? Well, yeah. I guess if you've got nobody else to go with. Great, thanks, Jeremus. But you'd better take good care of me. Oh, I'd like to take up. I don't plan on getting killed today. You probably will, with that amount of health. Psychic Thunder. Oh, can I? No. Can I go upstairs now that you're here? Hey! You know I don't like you going upstairs. Oh. Let's go sell my... Wait. No, I don't have any more spiked shells. Oh dear. I don't know if I'll survive. It's too dangerous in here. It's locked. Hey, I used my psychic power to get that key from over there on the wall. Wobble! Nice one. Cave door key. Chonk! This place is also Mank Virus Night 2. Ah, potions. Oh, what a commodity. Wait, doesn't... I don't know if commodity... I think commodity means it's rare or something, doesn't it? Oh... Poison needle. For some reason I love it when enemies drop like varied loot like that. I think there's a monster in this, if I remember right. A monster was inside the chest! Oh! Get rid of that. Wait, they can probably poison you. Oh! Oh! That's crap. What a crap animation. Phoenix down. Oh, that won't come in handy at all, will it? Will in this game. Fuck. Oh. Ah. Oh, how much easier the game gets with multiple party members. Empty? What's the bloody point? Before I go much further in this cave, I might actually go back to town and sell stuff and buy more potions. I'm not sure. Oh, great. And rest. Ah, good. Poison learnt. Is learnt even a proper word? Or would it be learned? Oh, you're back. Fluffy's back! Ah. Oh, she's only got 3 more. Can you leave me alone, Fluffy Bunny? You too, Nat. Fuck off. Okay, it's landed. I finally got it. Ah, the battle was won. That's how much experience I got in real life just now. Didn't get the money though. I wonder how much 16 gold pieces would be worth in real life. I also wonder how far we should go before heading back. Probably not. Oi! Why is there such a hard battle here? At least Kyle's doing more damage now. Yeah, you are dead, mate. Oh! Nice. Has she not? Oh yeah, she did level up. Fuck. None of this is randomised, by the way. The chests were programmed to be empty for some reason. What twat? Actually, if I remember right, there's a healing crystal, like, before something